Have you ever wondered if we could get a health report for the planet? You know, a real-time checkup for any spot on Earth? Well, that's exactly what we're looking at today. It's called the Earth Coherence Map, and it's basically a new pulse for the planet.
And wow, here it is. This is that idea brought to life. This incredible map shows us the environmental vitality of the entire globe. It takes tons of complex data and turns it into this clear, glowing picture of our planet's health that anyone can understand.
So you see this beautiful map, but what are we actually looking at? What does a term like planetary coherence even mean? Let's break it down.
In a nutshell, it's a health score for an ecosystem, just a simple number from 0 to 10. It tells us how strong, how stable, and how resilient the environment is in a specific place, and it's all based on hard scientific data.
So, how do they get that score? Well, at its very core, it's all about balance. It's about weighing the things that make an environment stronger against the things that disrupt it.
Think of it like a constant tug-of-war. On one side, you've got forces that strengthen coherence, things like the system's ability to bounce back from stress. That's resilience. On the other side, you have forces that weaken it, creating instability and, well, noise in the system. And all that math gets boiled down into this really simple, color-coded score. You don't have to be a scientist to get it. Deep blue means things aren't so great. That's low coherence. But as you move up into those vibrant yellows, you're looking at places with exceptional environmental health.
Okay, this all looks amazing, but it brings up a huge question, right? Is this just some cool-looking graphic, or is it actually backed by real, verifiable information?
And the answer is a big yes. The map is built on a solid foundation of real, quantifiable science. We're talking about measurable things like air and water quality, biodiversity, even the stability of the ground beneath our feet.
And check this out. This data isn't just pulled from anywhere. It's coming from the heavy hitters, organizations like NASA, NOAA, and the USGS. These are the trusted institutions for this kind of info, and that's what gives this whole map its credibility. All right, so the data is solid. We get that. But is this just a static snapshot? You know, a single photograph of Earth's health? Or is it more like a live video feed? It is totally dynamic, a living, breathing document. The scores are always shifting to reflect everything from the changing seasons to tectonic activity. But look closely. There's one factor on that list that's a real game changer for us: human activity and land use.
And this is the crucial point. This map isn't just something to look at. It's showing us that what we do really matters. Our choices, how we use the land in our own backyards, can directly push that coherence score up or down.
This changes everything. It transforms the map from a cool piece of data into a powerful diagnostic tool that local communities can actually use. You can literally watch the score for your area, see if it starts to drop, and then use that as a starting point to figure out why and take action.
Exactly. It's like a check engine light for an ecosystem. That dropping score is a huge flashing signal saying, hey, pay attention, something's going on over here. It helps us spot problems early before they become irreversible disasters. What's also wild is how it shows us that no place is an island. See these arrows? They show how environmental problems can drift and have ripple effects. A problem that starts in one place doesn't always stay in one place. At the end of the day, that's the map's true power. It doesn't pretend to have all the answers. What it does, and what's so brilliant about it, is it helps us ask the right questions. It points scientists and communities in the right direction to solve local issues. So this map gives us an incredible new lens to see our home planet, and more importantly, our place in it. It really leaves us with one profound question. Now that we can see our local impact this clearly, what are we going to do about it?